Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a 3 by 3. Okay, so first you have to mix up the cube. And that's about it. Stop and second. Okay. So now first you're gonna have to solve the white cross. So this is a blue and white edge piece. Turn it to the blue side. Turn it up. It's like that. Then this is already orientated correctly, so drag it to the top. And then that's like that. That's like that with the cross like that. And now this, for this, it needs to go to under here. So do there, 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 and drag it to the top. Does that. Then this is like that. So put it to the top. Next, you solve the corners. So you do this. This is white, orange, and green corner piece. So then you have to drag it to there, do that, and then put it back up like that. So then it has like that. Then this is orange, blue, and white. So bring that over to here and here and here. So you do the following algorithm: right inverted, down inverted, right, down, down inverted, right inverted. There. And that's like that. Now this is blue, white, and red. So you do the same algorithm. Then this is simple, so you just do that to there, do that, and that. Now you have the first layer solved. Next is the middle layer. So you're gonna have to turn your cube to the white face and find a piece that makes a vertical line like that, and then check if it needs to go to the right or left. This needs to go to the left, so you do this. Up inverted, left, up, left inverted, up inverted, front, up inverted, and down. The front face down, which is front inverted. Now you have a piece like that, and this was already orientated correctly. So now this makes a vertical line. This needs to go to the right, so you do up inverted, right inverted. No. Wait, so up inverted, no. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up, front, up, and front inverted. So then you have this and that. So now this needs to go to the left, so you do there, 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 and there. Now you have all the middle layers solved. And now you have to solve the yellow cross. So this is really simple. So now if you have like this, or a piece like this, or if you already have the cross, you don't need to do this part. But if you have this, you can do that, that, there, there, and there. That'll get you to there. Keep repeating that. Those. You get the cross, and then you do for you to solve the yellow, you need to go. And then when you have like this, you can just go to where this and this is, and then go like this. And still go to here, and go. And then this, you're supposed to get this or something else. Let me just, so if you get this, you're supposed to do the front face twice, up inverted, left inverted, right, front face twice, left, right inverted, up inverted, front face twice. Also that, and then you go like this. If you need to get, you do that, then there, and then it's solved. But then, well now, if you have,
I didn't solvere da grande.
Okay, oh my gosh, man. Okay, so now if you
Are you gonna put
solve
that
the
on
yellow,
YouTube?
and then yes, and then do all that. So now you have to do, find a pair in the back like that, and then do front. Then you have this. So now you do. And just go like this. Already did. And if you have this state when you're doing that, you have this state where this is diagonal, that like that. Just go like this. And that's all. That's how to solve the Rubik's Cube.
Yes, you can.